Well, we made it off the mountain. That was a 5-6 hour hike. I ran out of battery, but at the campground, I thought, well, you know, we still have some daylight left. I'm gonna paddle around the lake. It's a real small lake, so I made a couple loops. But look, Mario's like, I've got a really good spot, and I'm not getting off. That's where he sits when I paddle. And oh, look. He thinks like that is you. You love your paddling spot, don't you? There was one guy at the campground, and I told him, I said, my dog actually just balances on the back of the kayak. He's like, okay, I got to see this. I got to see this. Because he didn't believe it. And I took off with Mario in his little spot, and even in big waves. He's incredible. That's the incredible dog. But now we're going to go find a camp spot. So I'll head into town tomorrow. I'm going to camp a little bit closer to town, load up the boat. I can't believe he's still down there. All right. All right, this is crazy. So I've got a place to park, right? I couldn't find a place. I don't have a map. But this is, right down the road is the campground. And it was like yucky campground. There was like people there that I didn't want to be there. So I just drove down the road, right? And I just pulled off. There's you know, like forest roads, right? And look, I'm standing there. Mario starts to bark, and look, there's a cow. Like there's a cow. Yes, and I'm right off the road. Yes, you can see. I'm tucked in. I'm off the road. But you know, it's a 7061. It's a forest road, right? That's paved. Oh my gosh, there's some more cows. Oh my gosh. I'm where the cattle are. Free range cattle. Yeah. There's one right there looking right at Mario. Oh, this is going to be grand. Well, I put my tent right next to the car, so hopefully I won't get stampeded. I was wondering, see, there's cow pies here. This is going to be interesting. My spot where the cattle are. Oh, there's another one. Now there's a baby one. Oh, they're all coming out. Oh, you've got to be joking. Well, oh yeah, there you go. Just come on, join the party. Yeah, oh yeah. That's, wow. You're kidding me. Really? Of all the places? And I was actually gonna put my tent over there. Look at how they're looking at me. They must think I'm a freak. They're probably thinking, why are you camping right there? I'm not moving. I'm staying right there. They can walk around me. I'm not scared of the cattle. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. So now the cattle are walking in the woods. Yeah, I've never seen cattle walk in the woods before, but apparently around here, cattle, look at this. They walk right in the woods. Look at, can you see? He's in the woods. Well, shame on me for picking a spot. Look at, and look at him. He's like eating the tree. Do they eat trees? I didn't know they eat trees. Apparently they do. And there they go. They're going up in the woods. Well, you know what? As long as they stay on that side. Stay on that side. Stay away from me. See, it's old cow pies. These are old. See, they don't want to be on this side. Just stay over there. And I wedged my car. See, I was smart. I wedged it right next to my tent. Because, you know, in case something happens, I can quickly get away. And you know what? And there's water here. Maybe that's why. See? That's their oasis. Okay, it's another Starry vlog adventure. Well, it's morning, and the cows didn't attack me. But I am packing everything up. I haven't done my worship yet, but I'm just throwing everything in my, look at Mario. Are you guarding? Are you waiting for the cows? He's waiting for the cows. I'm packing the tent up like really fast just in case someone comes. This is a great spot. I can't believe it. There was one vehicle this morning that went up to the forest road. So, I mean, how great is that? But you never know. So I think I'm just going to pack things up and then sit and eat breakfast and do my worship and say hello to Mario. And then we're off for another adventure. Yeah. But good morning, everybody. I'm not going to show you what I look like right now because it's been a rough night. But, you know, this is my sleeping attire. This is my little hippie dress. See? Yeah. I won't show you my hair because it probably looks pretty bad. Okay. There she is. This is what I look like in the morning without any makeup on and without, you know, I don't do my hair, you know, right? You get that because my hair looks like this all the time. And I'm a woman of very little makeup. So, you know, I don't spend there. Okay, I'm not going to get into the whole makeup thing because there's some people that go a little overboard on the makeup. You know what? Women are beautiful. I think women are beautiful without makeup. I think makeup is nice to kind of enhance what we do have, but there's some sad women out there that like they go to bed in their makeup, and that's too bad. We don't need all that makeup. No, we don't need. We're beautiful. We're beautiful inside and out, right? Well, now we go down to the creek and wash up. Yeah, we wash up. I love camping where there's water. And this water looks pretty good. I bet you the cattle's been in here though, but it looks pretty clean. What do you think? Maybe I won't brush my teeth in it, but I don't know. It's flowing. I wash my face in it. That's okay. Yeah, my face. I'll just wash my face in it. So I'm sitting here doing my worship, and, you know, Mario, he's a good guard dog. I heard this noise early in the morning, and it was like, I can't do it. It was like a high-pitched, that's it. Before it was over there. Now it's over there. What would make a noise like that? Telling you, weird stuff that happens to me all the time. Good morning, everybody. And I'm out actually camping, and I am doing my worship this morning, and I really wanted to share with you again God's powerful word during my devotional time. And it's amazing because here I am. I'm camping in the wilderness. I'm up by the British Columbia border in Montana, and I find my time alone up in the mountains very enriching, inspiring. There's that noise again. There's that noise again. Can you hear that? That's not normal. I'm in the middle of doing my devotion. I hope you heard that, right? See, I'm not making up. Oh, that's getting close. That's really getting close.